Okay, so para sa pagpapatuloy ng video natin kanina, ah, gagawa tayo ng quotation sa isang project gamit yung template. So, ito lahat yung listahan ng mga items para sa isang project or yung mga listahan ng windows and doors. So, umpisahan natin. Balik tayo sa template. So, buburahin natin yung una nating sinample kanina. So, pwede nyong pindutin tong clear or pwede nyong i-manual na i-delete yung item na naunang inilagay. So, i-click natin tong clear all. Ayan. So, binura na niya yung nauna nating nilagay kanina. So, para makapagsimula tayo ng bagong project. So, click natin yung listahan. So, meron tayo ditong sliding window, fixed window, 4 panel, isang casement, and then mga owning window, and sliding door. So, unahin nating i-input yung window 1. So, meron tayong typical na sliding window. Ang requirement pala ni client dito is wood finish and reflective gray. So, balik tayo sa template. So, ilagay natin wood finish. And then, yung glass is reflective gray. So, click natin siya. And then, input na natin yung window 1. So, ang window 1 is typical sliding window. Also, ano nga pala siya? 3 tracks nga pala na 900 series ang gagamitin natin. So, click natin yung 3 tracks. And then, lagay natin yung sukat. So, 1205 by 1198. So, window 1A. And panel configuration is slide. And then, lock type is durable flash lock. And then, roller type, blue single roller yung gagamitin natin. And location is bedroom 1. And then, yung sukat niya is 1205 by 1198. So, 1205 by 1198. And then, one piece or one set. And then, next, 1218 by 1201. So, lagay natin 1218 by 1201. And one set. So, lagay natin yung detail niya. So, window 1B. And then, slide, durable flash lock, and blue single roller, and bedroom 2. So, next, ayan, yung window 2 is sabi ni client is kahit wala na daw siyang screen. So, wood finish pa rin siya kasi dahil nasa bodega naman daw siya is kahit wala ng screen. So, click natin. Gagamitin natin dyan is 2 panel na sliding window na 2 tracks. So, lagay natin window 0 2. So, panel configuration, slide, and lock type is durable flash lock pa rin. Roller type is blue single roller. Screen, without screen. So, location, let's say stock room. And then yung sukat ng window is 950 by 1195. So 950 by 1195, one piece or one set. So next, fixed window naman, dalawa. Ito yung nasa tabi ng sliding door or entrance door. So window 3 and window 4. So gagamitin natin dito is YC50 para sa fix. So click natin yung 50 series and hanapin natin yung fix window. So ganitong klase siya. So i-click natin and window 3 and window 4. So click natin window 3. Location is lagay natin beside door. And then yung sukat 298 by 1200. So 298 by 1200. So yung H1 yun yung sukat nung from base hanggang sa may divider. So itong nasa may requirement is nasa gitna lang siya. So 1200 divided by 2 is 600. So lagay natin dito yung H1 is 600 mm and then one set. So next is window 4, ganun din, pero nagkaiba lang ng konti sa sukat. So window 04 beside door, and then yung sukat niya is 295 by 1203. So 295 1203, and yung gitna niya or yung H1 is 601.5. So one set din siya. And then next, 4 panel na sliding window. So hanapin ulit natin siya, 900 series, 4 panel na 3 tracks ang gagamitin, and window 5. So window -05, and then panel configuration, fix, slide, then fix. So lagay natin fix, slide, fix, and then lock type will be durable flash lock. Roller type is blue single roller, and location is bedroom 2. And then yung size is 2480 by 1250. So 2480 mm by 1250 mm, one set. Okay, na input na natin siya. And then next is window 6. So casement siya na 2 panel casement with fixed transom seal. So hanapin natin sa YC50 pa rin ang gagamitin natin na casement. So kung makikita nyo yung klase nung configuration niya is nasa baba yung fix. So gagamitin natin is ito, dahil kung babalik ta rin nyo siya is parang ganito pa rin eh. And also, parehas din yung cut size and accessories na gagamitin. So, i-click natin siya. Windows 6. So, Windows 6 na casement. And then, lock type. So, since casement siya, ang marirecommend ko na gagamitin dyan is multi-lock handle. Ito yung may transmission. So, multi-lock. And then, ang 4-bar hinge na gagamitin niya is 12 inches or pwede ring 10 inches. So, panel bracket. Since wala akong crimping tool, ang gagamitin ko sa kanya is angular bracket para sa panel. And then, yung location, bedroom 3. And then yung sukat, so 1190 by 1800. 1190 by 1800. And then yung H1, yung height nung casement panel niya is 1195. So lagay natin 1195. Quantity 1 set. So next, Windows 7 is owning na 2 panel siya, pero single column lang or 1 column siya na double panel owning. So click natin yung YC50, hanapin natin yung owning na kaparehas nitong requirement. So 2 panel na owning, ito siya. Click natin. Windows 7. Windows 7. Lock type. So, since owning lang naman siya, pwede na natin gamitin dito yung cam handle. And then, 4-bar hinge size. Ang gagamitin natin siya is sa kanya is 12 inches. And then, panel bracket type, same, angular bracket. Location, bedroom 2. And then yung sukat ng perimeter is 595 by 1180. So 595 by 1180, one piece or one set. And the next, window 8, same pa rin, magkaiba lang ng konti yung sukat. So ilagay natin cam handle 12 inches, bracket, bedroom 3. Ang sukat niya is 590 by 1185. So 590 by 1185. Ayan. So one set. Okay, so next is owning window pa rin, yung window 9, pero para sa CR to. So 2 panel na